We are on board ALLURES 51.9, a boat made of aluminium. Those who love navigating all around the world, drifting off into the oceans, usually desire and want a boat made of aluminium. This is the third model of the range. The first one is already in Fiji Islands. The project has been carried through by Beret Recoupe, while the construction is by Allures Yachting, a shipyard with a great experience in the use of this material. The overall length is a little more than 16.5 metres, with a beam of 4.8 metres. The keel can be raised, going from a maximum immersion of 3.05 metres to a minimum one of a little less than 1.4 metres. This gives the boat a lot of versatility, especially when navigating the Polynesian atolls.
È una barca particolarmente robusta, fatta per prendere davvero tutti i mari e anche attrezzata per essere versatili.
It is a particularly sturdy boat, made to really navigate in all seas. Moreover, it is equipped to resist any weather conditions, and therefore it has more than one bow sail furled on its drum, large and assisted winches, firm wheelhouses with handrails so that the helmsman can hold tight and that are suitable for any weather conditions. An example of what I just said are these supports for those who need to work near the mast. We no longer see them on regular cruising boats, despite the fact that they may be very helpful in bad weather.
Totalmente scomparsi, invece in condizioni impegnative possono essere ancora molto utili.
Another feature that comes from the past and that is now considered useless on many boats is the spinnaker pole. Actually, during the Atlantic crossing with some wind angles, it can be useful with the spinnaker or even the genoa.
Tutto il pozzetto ha una protezione importante sia dalle onde che arrivano da
The whole cockpit has a particular protection both for the waves that come from the bow and protection from the sun. The wheelhouse is particularly sturdy, and from here you can manage almost the entire boat. Keep in mind that the ship owners of these boats are usually couples that navigate alone, but sometimes may be joined by their family, children or friends. The whole organisation of the boat is made for sailing in two.
Della barca è fatta per navigare in due. Ed eccoci all'interno dell'Allure subito.
And here we are inside ALLURES 51.9. First things first, the kitchen. It's very comfy and is set up so you are able to cook even while sailing with the boat heeled over. There is always a side to lean on and a handle to hold on to. Naturally, it has excellent cooking amenities because a boat with such essential sailing goals must have a kitchen, refrigerators and other amenities.
E tutto il resto. Il pavimento della dinette è piuttosto alto, sotto ci sono impianti serbatoi.
The floor of the dinette is quite high. Underneath it there are the installations, tanks and more other stuff. However, this height is also required to raise the sofas and cushions so that you can take in the sea view while seated. The scenic view is always a certainty.
Assicurato anche dall'interno della barca. Ed eccoci nella cabina che possiamo considerare armatura.
Here we are in the aft master cabin. The volumes are designed to create an extremely comfortable space, and there is no shortage of views through this window, from which you can turn your gaze towards the stern.
Rivolgere lo sguardo verso poppa.